Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error 268, how to fix kicked due to unexpected client behavior. First, we're going to search for control panel. We can change this view by the top right and change it to large icons. And let's go to network and sharing center. From here, let's click on change adapter settings from the options at the left and locate the network you're currently using and right click on it, and let's go to properties. From here, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. And if you are currently selecting to obtain DNS server address automatically, change it to use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8888, and for the alternate DNS server, enter 8844. And once you have typed that in, just click on OK and restart your computer and reopen Roblox again. If that does not work, the next thing is to search for CMD. We right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, and what we're going to type in first is ipconfig/lush-dns and hit enter on your keyboard. The next command would be ipconfig/renew and hit enter again. And the last command will be netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter on your keyboard and restart your computer and try opening your Roblox again. The next way would be to search for control panel. From here, we are going to select programs and features. Let's locate Roblox from this list. And what we're going to do is select it and click on uninstall at the top, and we're going to reinstall Roblox from the official site. Make sure you have remembered your username and passwords so you can log into your account again. If that does not work, the next way would be to wait for an hour and not opening Roblox during that time, as this can solve it. So those are the ways on how to fix this error. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.